Welcome to another episode of using ADMS, also known as Aquadata Management System. In today's episode, I'm going to be taking us through submitting a daily farm report. For you to arrive on this page, you must have done the first time login process, and you'll be landing on this page. And also, for every time you log in, this is the first page that you will get to before any other page is selected. So today we are going to go through submitting daily farm report. In case you missed this page and don't know how to get to the page, I'm going to show us how we'll get there. So let's say you proceed to the dashboard and you want to return to that report page on the dashboard. All you need to do is go to this button here that says submit report. And there are several other ways to get there, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show us this one, and in the other episodes, we'll go through the other processes of getting to the report page. So select submit report page and you're back to that page for you to do your processes. In today's video, like I said, we're going to be going through the submit daily farm report. So once selected, the prompt that you see in front of you allows you to select a date, the pond name, and the farm activity you would like to report. For the date, the reason why we are allowed to change date is for the sake of backdating your log. So in any form, maybe you have missed submitting your data for maybe the past 2 days or a week, and I'm sure you have your logbook that kept record of what you have done in those days. All you need to do is input it here and your system will be up to date. So for today, we're going to be submitting daily farm reports for, let's select yesterday. All we need to do is select the next one. So you can see the search filter here that allows you to search through a list of ponds if you have a very long list of ponds. Currently, I just have one pond. And you select the farm activity, which is feeding, and you proceed. So for daily feeding, for this to occur, you must have created feeds in your inventory, and all you do is select the time of feeding. So since I'm backdating a record from a previous day, I can submit as many time as I want to in terms of feeding record. If it was today and I selected the time that had not yet occurred, you would not be allowed to submit a daily feeding report. So I'm letting us know in case we try to add another record and we are seeing time cannot be in future. And I'm inputting 10 feed. So I can add another feeding round for feeding 2, and I'll select the time as well and just submit it. Selecting feeding and as a local feed, and give in kg. The feed quantity is in kg. And once you are done, you can click submit. And let's say you don't want the record, you can as well close that feeding round and proceed. Successfully submitted, and you have finished the process of submitting a feeding record for your farm for the particular date which you selected. So once that is done and you close this, you'll be returned back to the page in case you want to perform another activity. So check the next video for the next activity on daily farm report. Thank you for watching.